Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look. I've cut this down to 3.5 inches, roughly 3.25, something like that. And I'm going to bring this bracket, this backer, up flush, and then I'm just going to mark eyeball where the track sits on it, at least. And then just going to grab a straight edge. Any old straight edge will do, I'm going to guess. And I'm just going to mark right about there, so that this is going to sit somewhat like this, flush to the top. And I'm going to install the anchor bolts pretty close to that. Now, the one thing I'm going to run into a little bit is the wing nut is going to hit just right there. So I am going to drop that down slightly. Probably about 1/4 of an inch. Mark that there. Mark that there. All right. Now I'm going to get a 1/4 inch drill and drill these out. Okay, so I've got that marked. That's good. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Now what I have here is 2 1/4-20 carriage bolts. You can see that. And those fit right in here. Hopefully you can see that. Well, maybe you can't. They slide right in just like that. Okay. So I also have 2 wing nuts and a couple washers here. Grab a couple washers real quick. These are all stainless steel, by the way. I don't like rust. Okay, so it goes like so, and like so. Ah. Okay. That one. This one. Ah, jeepers. Should be easier than that. Okay. So then I actually turn these so that they're snug just a little bit to the side. And then I can eyeball the mounting plate here on here so that the wing nuts can still turn. Yep, the wing nuts can still turn. And then I'm going to mark the inside holes here. Oops, that just moved. That's the danger of doing this like this. Okay. Got my holes marked there and there. And I need a different drill bit. Okay. That's one. That's two. So just showing you how this works. Before I do this, get this out of the way. Okay. There's that one. A little hard to line up. Really hard to line up, actually. There we go. Okay, so this is how that goes, just like that. It's up a little bit, obviously, but it's the best you can do. Put these on. Now, these are 3/4 of an inch, and they're too. That makes it too long, so I have to grind it off. So. That goes on there. That goes in there. That's there. All right. That was a little close. Okay, that's it right there. That's all done. So that's what that looks like right there. You know, this is supposedly for a knife. Hooks can hang from there, from here. And, oh jeez. You know, junk can be in there. Cell phone, whatever. Ammo box. Your Coke or your beer beverage goes right here, or cup of coffee, because there's a handle here. Pliers goes in this hole right here. Lots of options here. So anyways, these are called let me see if you can see that, Komoto. So that's it. That's my little hack for my Versatrack for a little storage box for your Coke and your keys or your cell phone or jigs, whatever you want. So I think it works great. Take it easy.